Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just a quick video, just showing you how to replace the key fob battery. This is a Volvo XC40 key fob, and it's the same for this key fob for any of the other Volvos. And I've already replaced the one on this one, so we're just going to show you it on this one tonight. All you're going to need is a little flat bladed screwdriver or just something with a flat edge. I've just found this tonight, just a little pair of nail clippers that works quite well. You're going to need a new battery, 2032. I'll put a link in the description below to that and where you can get it from. But yeah, really straightforward replacement. All you've got to do to start with is just pull the little tab across there, and that'll just pop the back cover off. Just see, once you've got that out of the way, you've got your little spare key in there if you need it. But all you need to do is just push this little tab across there. You can just see that little metal tab. You just push that across, and as you do, pull the sort of cover upwards, that's all. And just see it sort of slides up, and then when it slides up you can just pop it off. And it's got a little cover in there just for the battery. And all you just use your little flat bladed tool there, and you can just see it's got a little arrow on there where it needs to go. So if we just turn that just to the open section there, we should then be able to flick that out. That's it, it's a little bit tight. Once that covers off, you can just see the key in there. Just simply flick that out. The battery, sorry. Flick the new one in. First cover back on. And then the top one as well. And that's it. That's it, all done. It's easy as that.